Make sure you go to our last live stream. We talked about how to invest in stocks from home. We give several steps on how to get started from anywhere. We literally can do it from our mobile device. We don't even need to have a laptop nowadays to invest, to build wealth. We can start right from the comfort of our home, and the access to the internet is available to everyone. Therefore, there shouldn't be any excuses as to why we shouldn't become wealthier and faster. It's not about waiting years to become wealthy and financially free. It's about doing it fast, because technology and artificial intelligence allows us to have speed, and we need a speed when we build wealth. We want to be on the fast track. So go check out our last live stream. We talked about how to invest in stocks to build wealth from home, two types of income that comes from investing: capital gains income and passive income. Rule number one in our community is that we focus to work to build passive income and make money multiplied through sound investing. That's rule number one. Now, some investments will bring capital gains income. Paper assets is one of the asset classes. On our last live stream, we talked about stocks, and the stocks is in the asset class of paper assets. Therefore, we need to understand what it takes to build success when we invest in stocks. And it takes understanding how to read financial statements, how to do due diligence on a company, how to read the entire structure of that business, and how to make a wise decision as to why we should invest in that stock, and how can we make that stock create passive income for us, because we can also do that in stocks. When we invest in stocks, we can create cash flow, but we need to know how to do it, and there's a certain strategy that we put inside of our ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, that explains how to do that. One of the chapters in that ebook, find the link somewhere on this video, go to our website. In one of those chapters, you'll find a dedication towards stocks and how to build passive income with stocks, not just capital gains income. A lot of people can only get capital gains income, but when we apply these advanced strategies, then we can get cash flow. So go take a look at it. Make sure you subscribe to the channels, like and comment. Follow us on all social media platforms. We're here every day explaining the good and bad news of money, the business principles of working on economies, and literally showing anyone how to go from rags to riches and how to create and maintain that wealth. It's not how much money we make, but how much money we keep, and keep working and sound investing. It's all about acquiring financial education every day so our financial IQ rises and we can solve financial problems. Two types of debt: good debt and bad debt. We want to be in as much as good debt as possible so that we can acquire any liability that we want. Good debt is the type of debt that we use to invest in a cash flowing asset. And the debt service, interest, payments, that will get paid by the revenue of the business. And it's going to also leave us a surplus, which will be our positive cash flow. That's the bottom line. So if it's making us money, if the debt that we acquire gets put into an investment that makes us money, enough to pay for the debt service back, and also leaves us with positive cash flow, then that is considered good debt. We want to be as much in good debt as possible when it comes to building wealth, because debt is also tax-free, because money is created with debt. After 1971, President Nixon separated the gold standard from the US dollar. From that point forward, money became monopoly money, fiat money, fake money, and just an idea backed up by confidence. It's a currency. Therefore, we can do the exact thing the very banks and governments are doing to improve the economy, which is print money, get into more debt. That's why in the United States we are over $34 trillion in debt. And people talk about inflation. Well, inflation will not stop because the economy works by printing money. So the more money gets put into the market, then inflation rises, and we're going to be entering hyperinflation. And there's nothing wrong with that as long as we have financial education, because inflation is our best friend when it comes to building wealth. Now, if you have the poor mindset, then you may see inflation as a bad thing. But if you have the wealthy mindset, then we can capitalize on any type of inflation. okay, even during hyperinflation. In fact, we can cash flow even more when the inflation is very high because interest rates are low. We can get access to funds very easily, and we can literally become wealthy for free, like the wealthy do, legally. Okay, so it's all about building total freedom, keeping control of our time. And let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk to you in the next video. I just wanted to jump in here and give you this business tips that I know it will help anyone who applies the information into one's life. Stay extraordinary and wealthy. Bye for now.